Remembers a time back in 2011 when the world was a simpler, easier, more fun place to be. In a small bakery in northern New Jersey, two friends got together every week, determined to teach the world how to bake.
Crumb Boss
and the producer.
And YouTube was never the same.
Hey everybody, Crumb Boss here.
It sunk like the Titanic in here.
Hey, Crumb Boss and the producer. Crumb Boss, everybody.
Whether it was making the #1 recipe on YouTube for buttercream, or icing fudge brownies, or teaching the world how to make eclairs, I was literally always working. Wait, that doesn't sound right.
Oh, Gretchen, it's like vomit! Like people don't eat that. It totally stinks. So here we are in 2020, and well, YouTube, it's time to get ready. Hold on to your crumb buns, because guess what's coming back? Yay! Better, bigger, and so much more exciting. So, Crumb Boss, you know, we get so many requests of people saying they don't know how to do this, they don't know how to do that, and this is something that is really good to learn, and you're going to show them.
Hey, Crumb Boss, everybody, Woodland Bakery.
Yeah.
We have been getting so many people watching our channel that really, truly, genuinely are interested in how to do a lot of this stuff that we're doing. And so today I decided to do a quick video on how to crumb ice a cake. And it's you may have heard people say dirty ice. I've always called it crumb ice.
Crumb ice.
And the reason why...
So the Crumb Boss is going to crumb ice...
The crumb ice a cake.
Okay, so you have 2 vanilla cakes here that are already made.
Already baked.
Because why? You own a bakery.
That's right, and we bake them ahead of time.
Okay.
So whenever you bake a cake, a lot of times you might... some people bake them in layers. We bake them in full pans, and then we cut our layers like you just saw me do.
All right, so you cut it with the $56,000 knife.
$56,000 knife. You cut it straight through the middle, and I have 2 even layers now. Okay?
All right.
So, but because we do that, our cakes are 3 layers here.
All right, and you're spinning it around on the tabletop.
On the turn stand, right. So I only need 3 layers to make a real nice
Okay, so 3 layers, up 1, 2, or...
3?
Right, okay, one's upside down.
Yeah.
All right.
All right, so the point of doing a crumb ice whenever you're icing a cake is because you don't want your final cake to have all these crumbs sticking out, and it gets very messy. So that's the whole point of doing this first.
All right.
All right.
So that's your, what kind of icing is that?
This is our famous vanilla buttercream icing that cannot be matched.
No.
So first I have to fill the cake before I can crumb ice it.
Yes.
So that's the 1 layer of filling.
Okay.
Okay, that's going to be the 2nd layer of filling.
All right. So you're crumb icing a cake. Well, you're actually icing a cake, and is that crumb icing?
This is called filling the cake.
Oh, it's
I just
filling.
filled it. Okay, there's really no icing on it yet. I'm going to use the same icing that I did as for the filling. So basically, just
plop it on.
Blob on top.
With your, what's that, spatula, not cake knife or something?
See how my cake is moving around a little bit?
Yes. Oh, so that was a little trick. Now it doesn't move.
Yeah.
Look at that.
That's right.
She's crumb icing a cake with the Crumb Boss.
All right, and see how I'm doing this? It's just like I'm not really doing anything perfect. I'm just really smoothing all the icing onto the sides.
Okay.
All right?
Yes.
You can see the cake is coming through. That's okay. You want to go really thin on a crumb ice.
Okay.
Because this is just like the bottom layer. It's almost like, I don't know, you can put it in terms of like when you paint your walls. You're priming the walls first.
Yes.
And then you're going to put the final paint, which is the nice part on it.
All right.
So I'm just doing this part here.
Yes.
Okay.
It's absolutely perfect. There it is.
And then you squish off all the excess.
Uh-huh.
And then what you're going to want to do is put this into the refrigerator for, I don't know, maybe 15 minutes before you then go and put your final icing on.
All right.
Which we'll pick up on another video. I'll show you that. But basically, this is how you do a crumb ice.
Okay, so you put that on, and now you're going to take that and you're going to leave it inside the refrigerator.
I'm just going to put it inside
for
the
15
fridge.
minutes. But and then the next video you'll see is that how to... What are you doing?
Yeah, well, and then the next step after this would be to then put the final icing on, whatever that might be, whether it's more vanilla buttercream, whether it's whipped cream, whether it's fudge, whether it's whatever.
So this is like
the base coating of it.
All right, so this is like the primer. So you just saw the Crumb Boss.
Do the crumb ice.
Do the crumb ice.
Right.
Only at Woodland Bakery. And this little cake here is going in the freezer or refrigerator for 15 minutes. And then in the next video we'll do, you'll see how she takes it out and covers it. Yep. Okay, that's it. Wait, one more thing. Don't forget to check us out on our other channels at House TV and Gretchen's Vegan Bakery.